Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Wash my hands of that for this. I miss my mom and dad for this.
Oh, come on. When I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear songs, they sound like us one.
So come on, oh come on,
Come on, oh come on.
Well, that is it, guys. That is all. 5 minutes in and I'm bored again. 10 years of this, I'm not sure if anybody understands. This one is not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave all I had to go. Who the heck wants to die alone, all dried up in the desert sun?
I was breaking for my sister in the calm that she called love, and then I look into my nephew's eyes. Man, you wouldn't believe the most amazing things that can come from some terrible